To notice something, we have to be paying attention. And to be paying attention, we have to be present in that moment. When we're present in a moment, we're very powerful. The past is gone, future's unknown, but right now, this moment, we're in control of. We can use, we can experience. When we think about self-love, we've talked about setting us up for success. One of the ways to do that is being present, being attentive. There's a very well-known book called Atomic Habits. And what it says is nothing new. In fact, in the scriptures, I remember hearing a proverb or a quote that says, everything that can be said and everything that is ever going to be said has already been said by Vedavyasa. Truth is eternal, it's timeless. And then that truth, we forget it, and then we repackage it and we bring it out. But it's an excellent title, Atomic. Meanings, it's small, it's tiny. But we know that an atom can be the most powerful weapon on this planet. So atomic, small, but powerful. And so atomic habits are small things that we do in the day that become incredibly powerful. Even the word habit is very important, because who are we? Well, we are a lot of habits put together, and those habits then our personality type. It's how we recognize ourselves, where we feel comfortable. It's how other people recognize us and how they describe us when they talk about us. We are so many habits put together. Atomic habits, like make your bed, can start the day with such efficiency. It can be sending a message to our mind that rest is over and now's the time to act. And so, be alert. It can also be a sense of, well, I completed my first task successfully. And so that sense of fulfillment and that sense of satisfaction, then we move on to the next task with that feeling of a little bit lift. And we recognize that doing small tasks can be quite fulfilling, like doing the dishes or cleaning our glasses or our computer screen. Then we think, now I'm ready. Small things that set up the mind to have a certain attitude. And small things can make an incredibly big difference. We've seen that in rural areas in so many countries, just simply teaching them how to wash their hands and introducing such basic hygiene as wash your hand has significantly increased the physical health of people and even the lifespan of the population in that rural area. Small things having very big differences. So today, the task is make your bed, because it's a well-known one. Also one that's easy not to do. We've made our lives so comfortable. It's just my bed, it doesn't affect anyone else. And you might already make your bed. Good for you. Or you can't make your bed because you're sharing it with someone and they're still sleeping, or for whatever other reason. Then we can find other things that we can do for today. Small things. Maybe pack your lunch so that you're eating better. Healthier things that you like and you're not wasting time having to go find something. Or you can wash the dishes every night before you go to sleep so that you leave it clean, so when the next morning you wake up, everything's already done. If you sit and you think about it, there'll be a few things you can come up with that you can do continuously. And remembering that this is about me liking myself, because I do the things that I'm proud of. I do the things that I value. I do the things that help me feel good about myself. This is a self-love challenge. Love is our nature. We are love. And so we have to love because it's just who we are, like the sun has to shine because it's just what the sun does. And so essentially we do love ourselves, but maybe we've forgotten how to express it. And love expresses itself by caring and by doing and by showing support. And so choose something where you're caring for yourself and you're showing support. And recognize also that you're a bundle of habits. And we get to choose who we are by choosing the habits that we are creating and sustaining. So sometimes deleting can be a little bit difficult, especially with habits, but we can certainly introduce new ones that can be overshadowing some of the other ones. When we create these habits with small things, it's sending a message to our mind that we're putting in effort, we're going in the right direction. And when we become very good at things, small little things, success breeds success. Happiness is infectious. So build your habit for this week. We also can take this opportunity, because this is a task that we're going to do every day, which is probably not going to take so long every day, so we can catch up on our gratitude list or on finishing off those photographs if you're so inspired to do so. But we can also set a bit of time today to plan for the weekend ahead. We're going to cook with our loved ones on Sunday, and we're going to express ourselves artistically on Saturday. And so that might take a little bit of logistics in terms of planning when, where, what's available, what you can do, how you're going to do it, who you want to do it with. So there's lots to do today.